Hey y'all, I am so excited to share a little video reveal of Rosie's nursery today. I spent so much time working on this and I just love how it turned out. It is such a sweet and simple space. I love how open it is and how clean everything is. And had so much fun putting everything together. It only took me 6 months to finish, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I'm just really excited to show it off on video and show y'all all the little details today. Rosie has so many bows, so to organize them all, I actually used a picture holder that I found from Target to hang them all and organize them so we can see them all, and I love how it turned out. I love these gold frames from Target too. They're really affordable and they're so beautiful. The finish on them is just gorgeous. Her chandelier is so gorgeous and I love the boho vibes of it. Very subtle but still really girly and cute, and just ties everything together so beautifully. For her rug, I knew that I wanted to add one of these textured indoor-outdoor rugs. We have them all throughout our home. They're so durable, they're super soft, they don't shed, and it just adds such great texture to the space. I love this little sitting area. It's just so adorable. When I saw this little bird mobile, I was so excited to get this hung up in her room. It's so sweet and girly. I love how it kind of spins throughout the day, and the little touch of glitter is so precious. Her acrylic bookshelves are from Amazon. They're very affordable and I love them in this space. I also love her lace blackout curtains. They're gorgeous and block out all the light and look so pretty with the gold hardware. Her glider is so comfortable and it actually has electronic controls too, which I love. When I was styling this bookcase, I just wanted it to be really simple but also personal, so there's a lot of family photos in there, and same with how I styled her dresser as well, and I really love how both of those turned out. Last but not least is her crib. I love the white iron. It's such a vintage feel to it and it is so gorgeous, especially with the floral wallpaper. And then I think my favorite piece in the entire room is the gold letters that say her name above her crib. Such a statement piece, so girly, and I just love how it pops off of the floral wallpaper.